This is live from the IKEA cart. Yikes. Whoa, where are we going? Whoa. Ah, this is very scary. Whoa. Do not clip people's heels. Honey, we could make an adventure out of this. The expedition for the expedite. Where's the expedite? Oh wait, aisle 1, bin 75. Whoa, getting stuck here. 72.
This is aisle 1.
Aisle 1. Bin 10. You gotta warn me. Okay, careful not to collide with this guy. Woohoo! Okay, don't lose me.
I won't.
Don't let go either, or I will swear I will kill you. 50? My butt is vibrating. Whoa! Whoa! Slow down. Slow down. Jesus. Are we done? Are we there yet?
I don't know what bin we're at, but this
72.
is the
There we go. Turn me around so I can see it. Yay! Where is it? Expedite!